Before you watch this video, you got a comment. I want to know. KTM 300 trike, KTM 300 big wheel. What do you guys like better? I'm curious. There's a big debate going. Are big wheels cooler than trikes? Are trikes cooler than big wheels? Everybody's been wondering, so comment, let us know, guys. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a good Wednesday. I'm pretty pumped because we're getting this KTM 300 big wheel finished up. So Alex went ahead and got the swing arm installed. You guys can see that right there. And he had to go back to the toolbox because we always forget stuff. He had to go get an axle nut and a couple other, I guess the chain box too. So, but yeah, he's coming back and we're gonna get this thing installed for you guys. Okay, there he is right there.
Welcome back.
So let's get this thing done. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. I'm excited, man. Turn the camera around. Let's check this bike out. So I am curious how this thing is gonna ride because this is probably one of the best riding off-road bikes I've ever rode. The suspension is unbelievably plush on it. The way this thing runs, super easy to ride. Honestly, again, one of the easiest to ride dirt bikes I think I ever rode. Alex can even start it, which is amazing.
I can start it.
You can start this one.
You describe this bike as a cat.
Electric start. So we got the wheel assembly right here. He already went ahead and got the billet hub all put together. Got the rotor adapter on. So let's get this thing slid together and see what happens. As you guys know, we run Honda. These are actually OEM Honda axle blocks. We got one on here too. I'm gonna be making those soon because why not? We make every other piece for this bike. So for now, we're running the Honda ones. Honda sprocket, Honda bearings, Honda rotor, Honda caliper. It's what we like. Okay, see that guy? Already. There we go. So now that that's slid, it lets it angle, just barely clears the wheel by, can we say here on YouTube? Probably bleep that out. Yeah, so there's that. Now we're gonna slide it in. Get back to holding the camera. All right, hold on a sec. Video stop, that's cute. Cool. All right. Sorry guys, I had to put the camera down. I'm gifted in many ways, but putting a bike together with one hand is not one of them. Minty, minty, minty. Beautiful. Yep, looks sick. Glad we went with the satin black. Tried to match the powder coat up on the frame to the swing arm. I think it looks good. It's just badass. It's a no-link. I think it's the, God, it's gotta be the first no-link big wheel that we've done.
That we've done, yes.
Yes. Sweet. Check out the sprocket alignment. Looks really good. Drew made sure of that when he was building the swing arm. So we're gonna put our chain guide up there. This guy right here keeps the chain from rubbing the swing arm. And we're gonna get this thing on the ground and then adjust the chain. We've been finding that's a lot easier than doing it up on the stand. Cool, it's good, man. Yeah, I'm pumped to ride it for sure. One thing I do like on the KTM, plenty of room to get the silencer spaced over. You can see the gap that's on there. So we're just gonna add our spacers in there, get that kicked over a little bit. Obviously put the flat back on in the front, but man, this thing, it looks sick, dude. Every once in a while, a bike has a nice ass on it, that's for sure. All right, guys, so it's actually the end of the day. we didn't end up getting the foot pegs done today. We had a couple other hangups too, but I'm gonna do a little walk around on this bike, and we're not gonna ride this thing till tomorrow's video, but we got the bike pretty much done, and I'm gonna flip the camera around. You guys can at least check this thing out today and know that we didn't forget about you guys. So we're trying to post videos as much as we can. We've just been really busy the last few weeks, so let's check the bike out. All right, guys, again, sorry. Wanted to ride it today. I don't want to ride this thing with these sketchy little foot pegs on there. And yeah, things ready to go other than that. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. So we're gonna be ripping this thing around. We're gonna just do a startup and go from there, guys. So we're also gonna take this thing out and ride it on the trails and put it through the paces. After that, it will be for sale. So hit us up.